welcome to the press conference.
Maybe what do you think about the game? It's an evaluation finish.
Yeah, the game was a good game. Very pleased. Serious first half, to be honest. I think 3-0 in the first half was already, the game was already done. But the last, with the mentality and as well with the attitude, was brilliant. I think we deserve to win today, and we show a lot of character, belief, and as well trust in ourselves, right? The game was perfectly executed by the team, and yeah, very happy with the performance.
Coach, so maybe the biggest surprise in starting 11 was Mane Kianga. For him, the first game as in an A team, 1+1. So probably you should be glad with his performance today, right?
Yeah, very happy. I said I'm always happy with the young guy coming. Last time with Alexi, did a brilliant performance. Today is young guy again. Because that's what I like, you know. Because when I was in the position, when I was young, someone give me opportunity as well. And when you have opportunity like that, you grab it. After that, it's enough for yourself, you know, and for the team as well, right? Because one assist, one goal, and we influence a lot of the games. I can be more pleased than that, you know. Very good performance from him as well.
Coach, I have a question, Peter Montano, Slovak Public Television. So what's your impressions about, your first impressions from the Slovak Public, from the Slovak League?
So yeah, it's a good league, you know. Before I've been able to look at from far. And I think, yeah, what we've been seeing in the past was totally different. But anyway, it's always good when you're involved, you can see. I think, to be honest, very pleased with the fans, you know, because they're very welcome. To be honest, I was very pleased and surprised a bit because the fans are very welcome, and as well, the public, the fans of Slovan is incredible, you know, all the time singing, everyone supporting the team, and you see today. They come massively a lot, you know, it's 2 hours from here, it's quite far, and pay the ticket as well, very pleased, you know. When they always are there following the players, support them, I'm very happy, you know, and as well, when you have a lot of people come like that in the games, make the player feel more proud and want to give back, you know, and I think that's what we do today, and yeah, very happy with it.
Coach No Anders, of course, today. Do you know more information about his injury, how serious it is?
Yeah, he's gonna be on sideline for maybe a couple of weeks still, and yeah, fortunately, I think he was unlucky, you know, because the defender just again in Georgia just lay on him, and he just have to push it, and after he feel a bit his hamstring, but I think it's okay. It's part of the game, you know. Sometimes you get injury. We're lucky enough on the preseason we don't get anyone injury. But after that, yeah, in a game like that, he felt something, but it's okay. At the moment, like I said, okay, the individual for me are important, but the individual can take you at some point, but the group is more important. I privilege more the group, and you see today, okay, Andras was not there, Tigran was not there, but still making difference, right? The other one take the opportunity, that's what I wanted. And that's what I pleased the most, right? And of course, if the leaders, the more important player coming back, it's gonna be a plus for me, you know, because I want them healthy, I want them to play week in, week out, because now we don't have time to thinking, we just have to rest, because Wednesday again is another game in Europe. We have to perform again, and that's what it's gonna be, you know, and just all the time focus for the next, and after that.
So one last from my side. Zaki Ercan is like flying under your charge. It's the third game in a row, third goal for him. So how pleased are you with his?
Yeah, he's on fire, and that's what I said. You know, I see the potential of this team when I was far away. You know, and now I get in. It's my duty to improve the player. You know, I want them to smile, like I said. Most of the time when they come to training, they smile. And that's what I like. I like players I like to improve players, because that's my job. Make sure the player improve, understand what I want from them, and do the job for the team, you know. And as my man Zaki's on fire, and that's good for us, right? And for the rest, for the future, for the club as well. But of course, today Alexi was not involved. Yes, because we need to protect them, because at the moment we have only few wingers, and after that, okay, good chance for us as well. We find out and Mane Kianga come in as well, and make a difference, assist, cross goal, brilliant, you know. And I think, like I said, because we want to go forward, we want to play forward, those kind of players with quality, with different understanding of the game can always get better and better, and that's what I wanted.